Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to show Google Analytics in your WordPress dashboard. So guys, if you want to check your website traffic in your WordPress dashboard via Google Analytics, so download and install this plugin. Share this dashboard for Google Analytics. Click on install now and activate. Use Google Analytics on your WordPress site without touching any code and view visitor report right in your WordPress admin dashboard. So activate. After that, click here dashboard. Now here connect with Google, and also you can enter manually tracking ID. If you enter your tracking ID manually, analytics statistics will not be shown. We strongly recommended to authenticate with Google using the button above. So now guys, just here click on authenticate with Google. Sign in your account and allow. Copy this code, paste here, then save changes. Now select your Google Analytics account, then click on save changes. So here guys, you will see this Google Analytics dashboard. Visit page view and there are some more data. Once you click on show more details. So this is a very useful. You can check and you can see your Google Analytics data in your WordPress dashboard. Thanks for watching and please share, like and subscribe the channel for more useful videos.